Got my hook shot. Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Try it. Let me try it.
Ah! Okay, give my hook shot back now.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Does whatever
Okay, can you
Spider
give me my
can.
hook shot back?
Okay. What?
Give me my hook shot.
What? I can't hear you.
Give it back, please.
What did you say?
Give it back, please.
What?
Okay.
Please. Don't you dare get a bazooka or something. Wait. Yo. Oh, can I have the pickaxe? Rayan,
No pickaxe.
get the adventure
Yeah?
backpack out, and I need to turn on. This. Rayan,
Yeah?
get the adventure. Get off the call.
I'm trying to put my hook shot back.
It's back. Go. Can I get?
Onto your arm.
I don't know. Can you get the adventure backpack?
Why you?
Get off call. Go on out.
I'm in app. I am in app.
Oh, okay. Bookie. Right. Okay.
Can you hear me in app now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No need to use it. Oh, I hate that noise where it goes like.
Yeah.
Where did you even put it? Wait, can I fling? Hang on. Can I fling hook shots across? No. Can I fling? You just. Can I fling the spider across the map with the Hulk smash?
No, because it doesn't do any damage. I know I lost my Hulk smashes anyways. I threw them. Hulk smash.
Anyway, guys, today we're.
Meow.
Anyway, so today we're playing Animal Company again with Rayan. I love you, Piggy Bear, and Rayan, I'll get a crowbar for myself. Oh, Rayan. I need research points. Like, badly. Rayan, where are you gone? Oh, there you No! Ta-da.
Okay, where am I? Okay, get out the safe zone.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among us. Ran, come on. We're hunting the spider. Get your good equipment out. We're hunting.
What's that?
Oh my god. Okay, what's it? Give me a second. Okay. Be quiet, make it a bit. Okay. Diane! There are you. Now, where are you? Oh, I hear you buying stuff. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Mama, my nan's chasing a ghost. Does it look like a farted? Mama, I just thought. Ow!
Sorry, that's your fault.
Okay, you have the flashlight. You have to go. You have the flashlight.
I'll stay behind you.
Yeah, but you have the flashlight. You go.
Oh my god! Take this then.
Okay, take my Glock then.
Let me get my.
Take my
no,
Glock.
wait. Let me get my glow stick.
Take my.
Let me get my glow stick.
No, I want glow stick. Glow stick.
But
Yeah, but we need the gun as well.
no, we don't, because when we fight spiders, if they run into a wall or something, they just get hit.
Yeah, but they're gonna fight back, dumb. And they actually do a lot of damage, I think.
Or do they one-shot you? Why are we going this way?
Oh, forgot, because I want to go that way, okay?
If I die, Sonia. If this doesn't have ammo, I'm cooked.
It does have ammo though.
use the glow stick then.
Come.
Right.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm going up here. Oh yes, Kate, yes.
What?
This area, I love this area.
Yeah! This area!
Research points, baby.
Oh, Red!
Kate, research points here.
Bet, let me get them.
There's not a guaranteed chance.
Shit.
No. Oh, there's more down there. There's more research points down there.
Well, no, I'm
We're
going.
actually smart.
Go up.
Okay, you press your bottom button to let go.
How do I?
Now let go. Let go and use your crowbar to grab on. Come.
I fell down. And I saw a spider.
No, you didn't.
I did. Ren, we need that glow stick.
Okay, you take it then.
No, I don't like taking it.
I hear people. I hear little. Okay, where are you?
Don't tell me.
Okay, it's not hard. Just get up.
Bro, how do I swing myself on the zip line thingy?
Oh, just like swing your arm and then let go.
Ren, where did you go? No, I don't like this.
Oh, just use your crowbar to get to the purple
Where did you
bit.
go? There you are.
Here. Now use your crowbar.
Okay. Please
Now
don't-
mine it.
No, I didn't get it.
Now up here. Yeah, cause it's not guaranteed.
Where's the flare gun gone?
Oh, I don't know. You dropped it, didn't you?
Oh my god.
Okay, this. Here's spiders.
Oh, give me.
Did you get one?
No. It would show me coins, right?
No, that's only for codes. If it gives you a research point, there'll just be like a mini research point to fly to your watch.
Bro, give me one.
I just saw a black monkey. I saw a black figure over there.
Mimics can also spawn, right?
They're not here. They're only in sewers, I think.
No, they can spawn here if you're like if you're black.
I'm mining this hole. Wait, Kate, put that stuff in your backpack so we can sell it after.
Do I have a
Here you
back?
go, take mine. Take mine, you don't have one. Just open it and then just put it in that.
Yeah, right.
You don't have to do that.
Oh yeah, I can just do this, right?
Nah, just give me it. Trying to put it. Yeah, just put the bottom of the backpack. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Close it. No.
No. Jimmy, come back! Or Jerry. I don't know.
Now put that on your back.
Oh, I see some. What? What?
Okay, come. Where'd you go?
I fell at the bottom again.
Cool shit.
Oh, I hit something and I don't like it.
I know they're really racist.
Yes, I landed. Do I have a? I need a glow stick.
Okay, it's not hard.
I can't get off. I'm anti-task. You're saying it's not hard. Ren, how do I swing myself?
I want to break it so bad, but you're a monkey and you ain't
How do I
letting me.
swing myself around?
I don't know, like gorilla tag.
That's not good.
Well, it works. You just have to use your crowbar to then latch onto something.
That's a Brian, can you just come down with me?
I bet Harry could do better.
Bro, it's hard.
Yeah. Fine, I'll come down. Oh, I don't care. I'm coming down at this point. You're annoying me.
Come down
Come
there.
down then. I am.
That one's mine. No, wait, Brian. What's that?
Hey, let me out. Hey, let me out.
Man,
Hey.
what's in here? Like, oh, there's silver stuff here. I see some gold. I saw some gold as well. Well, this is a big bit. Stop, you scared me.
I do arms.
This is a big bit. Look.
I know.
Oh, get in, Jerry. Sorry, God, if you don't get in, I'll make you get in. Okay. Let me mind these.
I need to go pee really bad.
Oh, please don't. I don't want to be stuck down here.
I need to go pee. Wait, we can't go that way. We can't go that way.
Oh, everything's safe here.
We can't go.
Exactly. I'm not going in there. For God's sake, it's scary.
Let your friend out.
Oh yeah, what did I get? Ow!
You got nothing.
I did. I got some coins that flew to me.
Okay, so that means you got the company points. Okay, I don't care. No more flashlight because I need to get on in. Go to the top.
All the way.
Yeah. I'm
Why?
gonna be waiting for you.
Why?
Because I said so. There's lots of gold up here.
Okay, to the top.
Don't you like gold because they sell for a lot?
Oh, do they?
Okay, gold sells for a lot, so you monkey, don't get it. Oh yes, I got a research point!
Huh?
I got a research point and your granddad didn't.
Where are you?
Kate, over here.
Oh. Mr. Skinny Legs.
Mr. Diddy Legs. Kate is gold.
Where'd he
Kate,
go?
there's gold there.
Oh.
Cade is a brokey and he only has like 1,000. Cade a brokey.
I hear spiders.
Oh well, they can't get us here.
Oh, they
I'm
can?
gonna hit you. I don't think they can. And if they do, I would run for my life and I'll fart. Cause they scare me.
Oh my God, it just got dark.
Oh, that was our only light.
Wait, where's my crowbar?
Hey, look at me. Oh, where is your crowbar? That's a good question. Did you put it in your bag? Cade, come down. I hear spiders. Cade, come down. Cade, I just see your big eyes staring deep into my soul.
I'll stay here for good sake.
Cade, come here. I hear spiders and I want to fight them.
No, I don't have a crowbar.
Cade, you probably put it in your bag. Come down.
Brown, can I have your crowbar?
Cade, come over here.
Wait.
Never mind, I don't want to come down there. Why is that green stuff?
Is that a teleport? Wait, Ryan.
What do you think it is? Out of all of the things you could have said, it's a teleporter.
It's actually.
Nope.
Oh. Okay. Ryan, open
I'm
your
gonna
mouth.
kill you.
Okay, never mind. You'll kill.
Ah!
I lost my crowbar. I'm looking at the bottom of the. I'm looking. Come down here with me.
Oh, okay, there's a big piece of children.
Wait, Ryan, how do we even get back? How do we get back?
Well, that's a good question. I don't know.
Oh, for God's sake. Ryan, where's...
Okay, take the flashlight.
Yeah.
Okay, take the flashlight.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Oh, research point!
Huh?
I'm a fatty and I need
Can I
those
mine it?
research
Can I
points.
mine it? Can I mine it, please? Can I mine it? Can I have a crowbar?
Give me my crowbar back, Bill.
Okay.
Okay, check your bag. You probably put your crowbar in your bag.
How do I check back?
Give me my crowbar back. So grab your bag. Now empty it. Oh, now I need to help you do this. Why can't... No! It just rolled in.
Ryan, have you ever been here before?
Yes, and I...
Oh,
and the
stop
only reason I
doing
came here-
flips!
Doing flip. Oh, the only person that's gonna watch this is Harry, and he.
No, 'cause we
and he's
I'll
not
get
gonna-
12 views on, and that's a lot for me.
Oh, fair. How dare you say that to me, Luba?
What did she call you, poo-poo head?
She called me a naughty boy.
Ryan, well, we've lost our only light source.
There's a starman trying to get the light. No! Don't call me naughty or I'm gonna eat you.
Ryan, which way is back?
Get up, you goo-goo gaga.
What way is back?
How do I get back up?
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of gold.
Oh, that's a lot of gold! That's a lot of gold.
But where's
Oh, I
my
fell down as
crowbar?
Ryan.
Ryan, can we go back now? I need to cash this out.
Okay. No.
Ryan, how do we get back?
Okay,
Nope.
get that then.
Oh, Jimmy.
Okay, get the big piece.
Oh. Oh yeah, I need this beast.
Those are small pieces, they don't matter. They still sell for a lot, just don't matter.
Oh no.
Now, we came from the top. So that's what I know that we came from the top.
Okay. Wait, where's the glow
Okay,
stick?
come
Oh, there you are. Okay, so we came from...
Okay, let me have it because I'm gonna be in front. Okay, Harry's actually gonna be. Oh, but I need to climb the rope, so you need to get it actually.
No. Please, thank you. Drop it. Good.
So Harry's gonna be happy because We're not forget. Look up. Oh shoot! You have to do it while looking up.
I know how to do it.
Where are you?
Oh!
Oh, it don't matter.
Oh crap.
What the heck is that?
What?
I just saw a big chunky rock walk past. Look over there. Kid, where are you? I'm scared.
I fell. Has Evan ever been in this area?
Huh?
Oh no, Rayan,
Yeah?
where are you? Jump to the bottom.
Yeah, Kate?
Jump to the bottom.
Kate, use your goddamn walkie-talkie.
Oh yeah, jump to the bottom. There's there's a teleport, and I know.
Oh, my God's hurting my head.
Rayan, I know. Rayan, there's a go to the bottom. There's a teleporter. I see it.
What?
There's a teleporter, and I know it's a teleporter. When you look close, it's a teleporter. I ain't going.
Hello, talking.
Come on, Rayan. Jump all the way down. Jump all the way down, Rayan. Rayan, jump all the way down.
Yeah?
Rayan? Oh, okay. So, come here.
Oh, my God. It doesn't matter about the big lump of gold. It doesn't matter.
Look, Rayan. See, that's a teleporter.
That's not a teleporter. Okay, if it's a teleporter, you go to it.
You go first, because you have the gun. No, not weapon. You have the weapon.
Okay, you take it then.
No.
That's not a teleporter. Well, I don't think it is.
That's a teleporter.
Okay, go in it then.
You got...
The first time I've been here, I went to someone and they said, don't touch it.
Well, it's a teleporter. Touch it.
Why me? It's making weird sounds. I'm scared. Oh, reset points.
Just go in there. That way. I'll come with you.
Kate, it sounds like my belly at 3 a.m.
Rayan, go in there. Oh, see? Told you.
No, it was my granddad. It wasn't a teleporter. See, I farted on you.
Whee. I'm cashing
Kate,
this out.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you for farting all over my granddad.
I know it's a teleporter. I'll put you in glowstick.
No, I ain't staying in there for a couple more seconds.
Wait,
Okay, just throw your whole backpack inside. Okay, just throw your whole backpack inside.
Alright, let me do my buttons. First try, definitely.
Exactly,
mine?
that's like third try. Once I actually got it first try. Oh, shoot!
Oh!
That's a lot of smuller. That's a lot of money.
Nah.
How much money did you get?
Hey, Crowbar, you can go in there as well.
Crowbar. No, don't sell Crowbar, it's only worth like 20.
When I
It's only worth like 20.
Oh yeah.
22.
Well, that was way. That was so much.
Guess what? You know I'm actually on this.
What?
You know I'm actually on one of these.
Yeah.
You know I'm actually on one of these.
Where?
Get up.
Is that you?
I'm that one.
That's you.
I'm joking. Why do you look like that?
Is that
Why you look like that?
Why is he big? Yeah.
That might be me.
Ryan.
Oh, never mind. I got that dev thing like 2 seconds, like that, a couple of days ago. So that's not me. Oh my God, Kate! Kate. Okay, let me be an Abby now. Get out. Hi. Hello. No, Kate, don't you dare. No, it's okay. Kate, don't you dare. Dead.
Are you alive? Nah.
Oh yeah. Oh, let me see if my friend is on.
We done.
Oh, my friend on 9. I'm gonna unfriend that. I'm joking.
Okay, so Rayon. We're hunting the spider again, or should we go to? Oh fuck! Should we go sewers? Wait, let's go to the secret area. Buy me fireworks, because I said so. Thank you, Pookie.
Mine. I just stole it from you, fatty. Where's my one? Oh, it just rolled back to me.
Let's get it. I have long
Oh,
arms.
but we need a flashlight. We need a flashlight.
Why?
Well, because it's dark in there.
Oh, is it scary?
No, not that scary.
Are there monsters?
No. Well, I don't think there's, because I saw someone go in it. There's no monsters.
You only have one rocket launcher, so we've got to be precise.
I'll still make it though. I'm still gonna make it because it's not that far.
Shoot.
I see it.
Rayan,
I see it.
I went over the map, but don't worry.
Where are you?
I am him, so I will come back.
Did you die?
No, I'm out the
I
map.
swear to God, if you die.
I'm out the map. Ah, shucks.
Kate, did you die?
No, I'm alive. I'm alive. Never mind, I'm dead. I died. I'll buy my own rocket. I'll buy my own rocket launchers. Who am I?
Do you wear big?
Rayan, I died, so I'm getting my own rocket launcher.
Come back, you skibbity.
I will. Should I get a crowbar? Actually, no, I'll get a stick. No, to be honest, a flashlight. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Come on. We're gonna do the victory. Whoa, what's that? Ah, shucks.
Kate, where are you?
I died again. I don't know how. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Why would you kill yourself?
Kate, where are you? I died.
Hey, yo. I want to go sewers.
Well, I don't want to go sewers because it's going to be a big scary monkey. Fine, we can go sewers. Take a backpack.
Nah, we're just going to your area very quick.
Nah, fine.
Nah, I'm going to your area.
Okay, Kate.
Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, Kate, come.
What?
Come here.
Alright, baby girl. Don't use two. You'll fly across the map, so don't use two.
I'm not using two. I'm only using one, and then I'm going to keep the other one in my hand for safety.
Not sure.
Did you? Oh, Kate, behind you. So, Kate, come here.
Okay.
Come up here. So, you have to get up here.
Wait,
No.
1 second.
No!
Damn. I'll buy for you. Don't worry, Pookie. I have the black AC varsity jacket. Oh. Okay, we'll just go see what's up. Oh, yes. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, look. Man, look. Oh. 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 Ryan, do the thing I did to you. What's up, blood?
What's up, blood?
Oh, nothing much. What's going on?
What's going on? I'm too lazy. Oh, shoot, I can't move. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Ryan, do that to me now. It's on you. Oh.
Oh, hi. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Just close your eyes, close your eyes.
Okay. Why do you do? Okay, we'll go sewers.
No. Cade.
Guys, I'm gonna hurry this video quick because I need a pee pee.
Oh, Cade, how about you don't go pee pee? Cade, how about you just go Cade, how about you just stop the pause video and then go to CapCut and then take.
Ah, what a lovely day. Ah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
So
What's that noise?
So look, guys. Hey, you. Hey.
Yeah.
Today
Cupcake.
you're gonna be invited to my YouTube video, and today we're gonna be exploding 27 homeless men. In 3, 2, 1, run!
I can't run.
Run! I said run! Oh, run!
Oh, dynamite!
No! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
What
Oh, yeah,
the?
yeah, yeah.
What?
Another one to my collection.
What did I just witness?
Oh, Kate, I got red watch.
Yeah.
Kate, I have red watch.
How do you get wood?
You have to kill lots of people.
Good God. Okay, can you buy me crowbar because we're going to hunt sewer. It's gonna be like a 50-minute video long, to be honest. Can you buy me crowbar? Hang on. Ah!
Wait, can I show you this trick I saw on YouTube?
This what?
So
No, just
so
no. Okay.
so you get a firework. You use it, and then put it in. You go in, and you have the jetpack, and it's gonna be back to normal. And now it's back to normal. Look. Now it's gonna be back to normal.
This one?
Now eject it. Eject it, dumb.
I don't even think blood's even in.
Oh, because it probably despawned as soon as you farted.
Whoa! Okay,
I'm gonna get lots
can
of-
you buy me crowbar? Why so much?
I'm gonna put them in my.
Wait,
Because I'm gonna put
wait.
them in my backpack and I'm gonna get
Should we just end the video here?
Do you want to still play Animal Company though?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so Cade at the backpack.
Okay, wait,
for the
we gotta do
firework.
the victory launch. We gotta do the victory launch.
Okay, Cade.
No, we're doing victory launch. Come on, we're doing victory launch.
Okay. Okay, before my grand to go.
Victory launch. Let's get at the very edge. Get at the very edge.
Okay.
Come on.
So
And
let's
we're
go
gonna
to
do
the
it.
green
3,
thing.
2, 1, go.